And that was annoying as fuck.
I mean, it's not as bad as like the new Crash Bandicoot name.
Don't even start that. Oh, well, that sucks.
Welcome to the first vlog on a new camera bird.
I feel honored to be on the first vlog of the new camera.
Rada spanking.
You're a dick. I thought for a second. Way to go, smart one!
So, as we were saying,
Yes.
a potato
flew around my room.
I'm waiting for somebody to finish the song.
Shut the fuck up, Jeremy! Got him! Shut up!
I don't think he likes the song.
Neither do I. It's kind of upsetting.
It's not upsetting, it's fucking annoying. It's annoying.
Is it?
Yes.
But it's a potato.
No.
A potato
No, it's just fucking
flying in my room.
No, shut up! It's just stupidity in a song.
That's most songs.
Yeah, you're not wrong about that.
Especially most current pop songs.
Now be careful what you say now on current pop songs.
There were some good ones. There were not.
Just
A potato.
oh my god, Draven, shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up.
Umbrella.
I hate you.
Rada spanking.
Shut the fuck up.
Never.
Calm your chick. So fucking now. A potato flew around my room before you came. I hate myself. You got that song stuck in my head. Yes! Fuck you both.
Great success.
No, that was not success.
It's a great success.
No, it was not.
Yes, it was.
No, you're on crack for thinking it was.
Babe, go to the castle and sing us a lovely lullaby that bird loves.
Don't you dare. Don't do it. It's a trap. Don't do it. It's a trap. Crane, it's a fucking trap. Don't do it. Crane. Crane, I swear to God, don't do it. It's a trap. I swear to God if he does. I swear to God. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, Crane.
What are you gonna do about it?
Want to test that? You really want to test that? Just do it, tickle. Tickle, are you gonna ticklish? Damn it, no, she's not. Fuck!
Yep, only I know where she's ticklish. All I know is where she's ticklish.
Damn it!
Notice how I let you chase her because I knew she could handle herself.
Too much running.
A potato.
Shut up!
Then we gonna fall, then we let it pop.